Hi, I'm Scott Rawls. I'm president of Wake Technical Community College, and welcome to this virtual open house. We'd much prefer to be with you in person, to be seeing and greeting you face to face, but because of the pandemic, we've moved everything online. This semester, our courses in Wake Tech are offered primarily in an online format or a hybrid format, which brings virtual as well as seated together in the best of a hybrid environment. At Wake Tech, technology-based education, including online education, is nothing new to us. In fact, Wake Tech has been rated the #1 online community college in the country by 2 national rankings. Our instructors go through a very involved certification process, and we provide training for all of our students as well. Online students have the option to learn at your own pace or to log in at set days and times to attend a virtual class. Now, while the majority of our classes are today virtual, that's not always going to be the case, and at Wake Tech you'll find dynamic campuses with some of the best facilities in the country, whether it's IT, healthcare, or STEM, or baking, biotechnology, or our new Center for Building Technologies. So our virtual open house is designed to help you learn about all the outstanding programs and resources that are here at Wake Tech, more than you could ever imagine, and then find the right fit for you and get the ball rolling. So here are 3 things we recommend you attempt to achieve as part of this virtual open house. First, attend a presentation for the program that interests you the most today. Number 2, learn about the financial aid process and get your questions answered. And 3, learn about the steps to apply. They're really very simple. There are presentations, live Q&As, and other sessions to help you. And throughout this entire process, keep in mind that Wake Tech is your community's college. Wake Tech's one of the largest colleges in North Carolina with more opportunities than you could imagine. But our goal is also to remain small and to remain personal, and hopefully you feel that during this virtual open house. We're excited to see you. We're excited you're here. We look forward to seeing you very soon, whether it's in a virtual class or one of our seated classes on campus. Thank you for taking part in this open house.
Hi, and welcome to Wake Tech, a big college for students with big dreams that still has that small town feel. My name is Jose Fabre Jr., and I am proud to say that I am a Wake Tech graduate. To say that I struggled in high school is really an understatement, but at Wake Tech, everybody has the same chances to find their unique focus, discover new interests, make connections while still learning and growing at their own pace. I now have 2 associate's degrees under my belt and plans for an exciting future in the field of engineering. Wake Tech faculty and staff really care. They care about you, and they could help you dream big. Awesome, isn't it? Look at all the great things that Wake Tech has to offer. A big community college that really values community. So take advantage of your community's college. Go ahead and jump on board and enjoy your higher education journey.